Then the next thing we're going to do is to open up a 3D transformation tab in GRASS by typing 3D into the search bar and then selecting the third option for converting the vector from 2D to 3D, as this is the plugin that uses the height-based attribute to create the 3D vector. Once that's open, choose the vector layer from the drop-down menu, and then we're going to give the new output layer a name. So in this case, we're going to call it contours underscore 3D. Next, we are going to choose the attribute we want the 3D vector to have. In this case, we want the altitude value. Then we're going to click Run. And then once this is successfully finished, click on the View Output to add this layer to the layer sidebar. Now that we have successfully obtained the 3D vector file, we're going to export this layer as a DXF by right-clicking on the layer and then opening the export sidebar and then select Save Feature As in order to bring up an export dialog box. Then we are going to make sure that we choose the export file format as DXF, and then we're going to give the file a name and a location. Next, we are wanting to make sure that the CRS is located within Australia. So to do this, we're going to make sure that we select the GDA 94 MGA zone 55. Then we want to make sure that the encoding is UTF-8 before pressing OK. And then this may take a second to load. And then once again, we're going to choose the Australian zone. And then click OK again. In order to make sure that the DXF file that we've exported contains 3D vector contours, we're going to open the exported DXF in AutoCAD. This may take a second for AutoCAD to open. And then it's just asking whether you would like to open a DWG as well as a DXF, in which case we want to say no. And then we are going to zoom to the location of the contours by double clicking on the scroll button. Now we're going to go to the side elevation using the navigation box. Now, this is a problem. As we can see, it hasn't fully exported the contours into 3D. So there is a way to fix this. If we exit AutoCAD, we go back into QGIS, we go to Project, and then Export as Project as a DXF. Then we are going to save over this DXF file. And we are going to simply select the contours 3D again and press OK. I'm not too sure why, but for some reason it decides that it only likes it when it's like this. And then we're going to go back and reopen up that CAD file. Once again, this may take a second or two. Once again, we're going to say no to opening a DWG. And as you can see, it's opened straight to where the contours are. And then if we go to the side elevation using the navigation box, voila! We have our 3D contours. Thank you for watching this how-to video. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to use the 3D vector DXF file that we've created here in order to create a topographical base of our site in 3ds Max. Until next time, bye!